Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will continue on our previous lesson, glycemia. At the end of this video, you will be able to deduce that the pancreas plays an essential role in regulating glycemia and recognize that the pancreas is a mixed gland. You've previously learned about a small molecule called glucose, found in every food you like. And many glucose monomers gives a polymer called glycogen, where the reaction of transforming glucose to glycogen is called glycogenesis. On the contrary, the breakdown of glycogen to glucose is represented by glycogenolysis. And sometimes in special cases, glucose is being formed from fats and amino acids found in muscles and adipose tissue. This reaction is known as neoglucogenesis. All three reactions occurs in one organ, the liver. However, how does the liver know which reaction must it make? What is the other possible organ involved in glycemia? Let's concentrate to find the correct answer. Our question was answered after several scientific studies where it is found that the pancreas is the organ involved in glycemia. What is the pancreas? Pancreas is a gland located in the abdomen behind the stomach. However, how is the pancreas related to glycemia? What is the function of the pancreas? And does the pancreas have an endocrine or an exocrine function? To answer these questions, we need to perform an experiment in order to deduce the function and the mode of action of the pancreas. So what happened in the first experiment is the ablation of the pancreas, also known as pancreatectomy of a dog, so that this pancreas was ablated or removed from this dog. As a result, the dog showed troubles in digestion and an abnormal increase in glycemia directly after the pancreas ablation, so that after some time the dog died. Then, if the pancreas was intact or present, there will be normal levels of blood glucose. However, if the pancreas was ablated or removed, there will be an abnormal increase in blood glucose. What does this show concerning the function of the pancreas? Well, this indicates that the pancreas has a function in regulating glycemia or blood glucose. Now, in experiment 2, as in experiment 1, a dog was subjected to pancreatectomy. And of course, as a result, there will be an increase in glycemia. However, now in this experiment, the pancreas of another dog was connected to the bloodstream at the level of the neck, so that this dog without a pancreas will have a new pancreas, however connected through the bloodstream directly to the neck. And as a result, glycemia directly decreased. We must also note that during the whole experiment, the dog showed digestive problems. Now let's pause and think a little bit. In experiments 1 and 2, when the pancreas was present and surrounded with blood vessels, both dogs showed normal glycemic index or normal levels of blood glucose. So here, from this experiment, is the pancreas endocrine, secreting hormones directly to the bloodstream? Or is it exocrine, secreting enzymes through ducts and not through the bloodstream? Think a little bit about experiments 1 and 2. Was there blood vessels or not? Well, according to these experiments, we can say that the pancreas regulates blood glucose by secreting hormones directly to the bloodstream. So, the pancreas is endocrine. However, we still have one observation from experiments 1 and 2 we didn't discuss yet. Whether the pancreas was ablated or connected to the bloodstream, both experiments 1 and 2 showed digestive problems. And when we talk about digestion, we must mention enzymes. Enzymes, then the pancreas is also exocrine. It secretes enzymes such as amylase, protease, and lipase through small ducts found in the pancreas directly to the small intestine. Thus, the pancreas has two modes of action: exocrine, by releasing digestive enzymes through ducts such as amylase, lipase, and protease, and endocrine, by secreting hormones directly to the bloodstream. Now, those hormones are the ones responsible for regulating blood glucose. As a conclusion, the pancreas is said to be a mixed gland with mixed function of both endocrine and exocrine. Then also the pancreas is made up of two types of cells. Cells found near the ducts to secrete enzymes and cells found in a specialized region called the islets of Langerhans, responsible for secreting hormones. Now you know that the enzymes are amylase, lipase, protease. However, what are the hormones secreted by the cells of the islets of Langerhans? When we say that the pancreas is responsible for regulating glycemia, we mean that it needs to keep a normal blood glucose of 1 gram per liter. So upsetting this blood glucose, this value of 1 gram per liter, means that we have two distinct cases. In case 1, blood glucose increases after a certain meal rich in glucose, in other words, hyperglycemia, or if you are fasting or hungry or tired from exercise, blood glucose decreases. This case is also called hypoglycemia. Now, because we have two different cases, it's normal to think that the islets of Langerhans can secrete two distinct hormones, one responsible for regulating hyperglycemia and one responsible for regulating hypoglycemia. And you can add from your memory this information. You've taken that the pancreas has two hormones, insulin and glucagon, of course secreted by the islets of Langerhans. We will add that those islets have two different types of cells, the beta cells and the alpha cells, where the beta cells can secrete insulin and the alpha cells can secrete glucagon. However, what is the mode of action of each hormone? Which one of them is hypoglycemic and which one is hyperglycemic? Keep this question in your mind for the next lesson. For now, you've learned that the pancreas is a gland located in the abdomen behind the stomach. This pancreas is a mixed gland having two functions: an exocrine function, it can secrete enzymes through ducts, and an endocrine function, it can secrete hormones to the bloodstream. The endocrine part of the pancreas is found in the islets of Langerhans, which are made up of two types of cells, the beta cells and the alpha cells. The beta cells can secrete insulin and the alpha cells can secrete glucagon. This video is prepared and recorded by teacher Zahra Ashari and supervised by teacher Ihsan Hash Hassan. That's all for today. Thank you for your time.